Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Guitar. Let's go ahead and start the video. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily install and download Git Online software in your Windows 10 and 11. Watch the full video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Git Installation. To download Git on your Windows PC, open the Chrome browser of your PC. Go to the search bar and search Git. Open the first official website that appears. Scroll the screen. You will see the latest version for Windows appear on the screen. Click Download for Windows. On the next page, you will see Windows Setup for 32-bit and 64-bit. You have to choose the download option according to your system, if you don't know what type of system you have. So you can also know the type of your Windows PC by going to the System Information. You have to search System Information in the menu bar. Here you will see that my PC supports 64-bit. So I will choose 64-bit Windows Setup here. Click on Installer. The installation will start. After some time, it will be installed on your PC. Next, we will see how to set up it. Git Setup. Open the installation file for Git Setup. Read the information given on the screen completely. Then click on Next. If you want to save the file at a different location, you can change the location of the file. Click on Next. Then click on Next. Click on Next again. Then click on Next. 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 Again, next. The installation process will begin. This may take some time. Click on Finish to exit Setup. To check whether the Git setup is complete or not, open the CMD of your Windows PC. Type Git and press Enter. You will see something like this on your screen. It means Git has been successfully installed on your PC. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Stay connected to the channel to see more such videos. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video, share it. Have a nice day.